At Meet the Press yesterday, concerns related to people living in the camps in Nepal were raised. Prime Minister said about 60,000 have already been resettled in 8 countries. Lynchen added that by 2015, most of them would have resettled in the 8 countries. The few remaining would be dealt as per the bilateral agreements between the countries.
And the 2 countries have struggled to find a solution for many years. And finally, what is good and what is most praiseworthy of the international community is that the international community, in the form of a core group of 8 countries, stepped in and have offered resettlement for those who are willing to settle in a 3rd country, meaning not in Nepal or in Bhutan. And so far, close to 60,000 people have been resettled presently, up to now. The lead country of the core group is the United States, and it is that country that has accepted the majority of these people. Now, it appears, we are not very certain, but it appears that the majority of the people in the camps have already registered for resettlement in the 3rd countries, and up to about 15,000 people are being resettled in a year, meaning then that is a number, additional number that we expect to see resettled by the end of 2012. Hopefully by the end of 2015, all those who have sought resettlement will be settled, leaving a residue of people. Now, presently, the position of the government is that we will take back any and everybody who fulfills the criteria agreed upon between Nepal and Bhutan in our bilateral discussions. We have agreed on separating the people in the camps into 4 categories. And we have agreed as to which of these categories, people belonging to these categories, will be acceptable or accepted by Bhutan for resettlement. And that continues to be our position, Mare. So if, of the remaining population, if there are people who qualify for settlement on the basis of the terms agreed with the Nepalese government, then we will accept them.